You might have heard that an onion juice supports hair growth by increasing blood circulation. That is because onions contain sulfur compounds that may improve blood flow to the hair follicles. Today, I am here to show you the opposite side of an onion when used together with other 2 ingredients from your kitchen. Yes, you heard me right, ingredients from your kitchen. Don't go away. At the end of this video you see how I use this paste to simply remove some body hair without a pain or irritation. The first ingredient you will need from your kitchen is a round potato. In some other areas of the world it is called Irish potato. Peel out the skin of the potato as you normally do when making some chips. The second step is making a paste from the potato. You can grate it or use any method which is friendly to you. Using a grater can be easier and fast. Squeeze the paste you have made on a strainer to obtain a potato juice. Once you have finished straining, leave it for 3 minutes. This will allow the juice to settle some residue at the bottom of the cup, separating it from the pure juice we need. In this video, I just poured the juice needed in other bowl after it has settled, leaving the residue in the first bowl. Now the onion. Grab an onion from your kitchen and find a way to make a juice from it. In my case, the easiest way is to grate the onion, turning it into a paste and straining. You can allow it to settle as we did in the first ingredient, or strain it in a finer strainer as I did in this video. In few seconds you will see how this hack is interesting and easy to use for removal of any unwanted hair on your skin. The third and final ingredient from your kitchen is the baking powder. Keep in your mind that it is not a baking soda. Most people tend to confuse these 2 baking ingredients. Put 1 full tablespoon of baking powder in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of an onion juice. Remember the rations and do not change, otherwise the paste may not work properly. Add 1 teaspoon of potato juice, leaving behind and residue settled for the second time. Stir until the 3 ingredients are fully mixed and you see a uniform color. Now it is time to see the magic. Apply and spread evenly on the unwanted hair you would like to remove. Leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. Get a piece of cloth and wet it. Use the cloth to wipe away the paste. Wash your skin with enough water and apply your skin oil. Simple like that, no pain, no itching, no razor bumps. Have you ever heard about this hack? Let me know in the comments section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more interesting hacks. The nature has everything you need. It is a matter of discovery. Thank you for watching.